Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you, I appreciate it. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, I appreciate you as well. In today's video, we are going to start a lot of seeds. Spring appears to be here in my area, Zone 9A, North Florida. And I've already planted some of my spring crops outside. Excuse me. I've already planted some of my spring crops outside. So we're going to go ahead and start some more food here in the grow room. Let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to plant are some peppers. My plants that I have in my greenhouse outside are not looking very well. Yesterday, I uppotted 2 jalapeno plants outside in Pepper Row, and I was thinking about moving the other ones out today, but I think I'm going to go ahead and start more seeds first before I do that, just in case they don't come back. Right now, they look really bad. Keep my fingers crossed, but I want to be prepared just in case. So we're going to start some Carolina Reapers, some ghost pepper, a habanero, and a orange Scotch bonnet. And all we're going to do is to make a little indentation in the soil, drop the seed in, and then cover them up with a light dusting of the same soil. So since I have 8 spaces here in which to grow, we're going to do 3 of the habaneros. And we have our label, and we're just going to cover them up for now, and then we'll come back and do a light dusting on the top of them. We'll put our label in. Next, we're going to do 2 Scotch bonnets. And 3 of the Reapers. And last but not least, the ghost. Now, the plants that I have in my greenhouse, I've had those peppers for about 4-5 years. So they have been very reliable for me and have produced a lot of peppers. And I hope they're able to come back, but if not, we'll be ready. Okay, just like that, we have our peppers planted. Next, we're going to do a contender bush bean, and we're going to do a whole cup of these. And I'm not so much going to worry about covering them right now because we're going to put a dusting of soil on top of them. And we'll put our label in. Next one we're going to do is some lima beans, and we're going to do a whole container of them also. Try to center them in the middle of the cup. And we'll put the label in for them. Next, we're going to do some clay cowpeas. These are smaller than the black-eyed pea, but taste just as good. Next one, quick eye pink cowpea. And mashing the seed to make sure it's in contact with the soil and centered like we want it. And put our label in. Okay, the last pea or bean that we're going to do is the California black eye pea. And these are some that I saved last year. So we have our seeds topped off, and now we're giving them a spritz, and then we're going to put them under the grow light. So here we have our plantings sitting here. They are sitting on a heat mat as well, and we have the dome on, and it's closed to keep the humidity high and to keep moisture in. And hopefully that will help them germinate faster. This is the other planting that I did off camera. We planted 3 types of squash and 1 type of tomato, a Cherokee green tomato. Last year I grew green tomatoes for the first time, and the family loved them, so I neglected to plant them along with the other tomatoes that we planted up here when I did those. So hopefully everything will go well, and we will have very nice germination rate on everything that we did today, and we'll come back in the near future with an update. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this quick video in planting more food. Who doesn't like planting more food? If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Have you guys started your spring planting yet? If so, what are you growing? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. If you're interested in any of the seeds or materials used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.